Hi students, how are you? I hope all are fine. Today we are going to take a new chapter, chapter 3 place value. In previous classes we already learned about how to write the number and number names up to 3-digit number. Today we are going to study first topic is place values of a 2-digit number. Did you heard the word place value? Yes, we are already learned in our previous classes. That means in first standard. Today we are going to study about the place values of a 2-digit number. I will explain with the help of some example. Consider the number 46. It is a 2-digit number. First we are arranging these numbers in places order. That means 6 in which place? Yes, 6 in ones place. So we write here ones and 4 in which place? Ones after which place? Tens place. So 4 is in tens place. Next we write. First we write the values. First we write the value 4 and its place tens. 4 tens plus next number. Next number is 6. 6 in which place? 6 in ones place. So we write 6 ones. So it is equal 4 tens. We already learned in our previous classes 1 10 is 10, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30. Therefore 4 tens are, yes, 4 tens are 40. So we write 40 plus 6 ones. 6 ones means 6. 5 ones means 5. 4 1 means 4. So 6 ones is 6. So we write 46 place value as 4 tens plus 6 ones or 40 plus 6. Okay. Then next example. Consider number 39. First we identify the places of these digits. First place is ones, then second place is tens. So we write first number is 3. So 3 in which place? 3 in tens place. So we write 3 tens plus next number is 9. 9 in ones place. So 3 tens, 9 ones. Next is 3 tens. 3 tens equal 30. So we write 30 plus 9. Okay, 39 equal 3 tens plus 9 ones equal 30 plus 9. Then one more example. Consider number 68. First we write the, first we write the places of this digit. The places are ones, tens. Next we write first value. Here first value is 6. Then 6 in which place? 6 in tens place. So we write 6 tens plus next number is 8. 8 in which place? 8 in ones place. So we write 6 tens, 8 ones. Equal 6 tens equal 60 plus 8 ones equal 8. Therefore 68 equal 6 tens plus 8 ones equal 60 plus 8. Okay. Next we are going to take another topic, that is place values of a 3-digit number. Consider example. First example, write the number 347. We already learned how to read this number in our second chapter. Then how to read this number? This number is, first we write the places, ones, tens, 100. Then read the number 347. Same way we write the places of these digits, ones, tens, 100. In the previous section we write the place values of 2 digits. That means first we write 4 and 7. That's the same way we write. Here the first number is 3. Then 3 in which place? 3 in hundreds place. So we write 3 hundreds plus next value is 4. 4 tens plus next value is 7 ones. Right? 7 ones equal. Then 3 hundreds means 300. Then 3 hundreds means 300 plus 4 tens means 40. Then 7 ones means 7. So we write 300 plus 40 plus 7 as 347. Okay, then one more example. Consider number 967. First we write the places of this digit, that is ones, tens, hundred. Next we write, our starting number is 9. Yes, 9. Then 9 in which place? 9 in hundreds place. So we write 9 hundreds plus next number is 6. 6 in which place? 6 in tens place. So we write 6 tens plus next number is 7. 7 ones. 7 ones equal 9 hundreds. 9 hundreds are 900. 9 then put 2 0. So 900 plus 6 tens means 60 plus 7 ones means 7. Okay. Then one more example. Consider number 829. Okay. First we write the places of digit, that is ones, tens, hundred. Equal, then first we write the number. First number. Here first number is 8. 8 in which place? Yes, 8 in hundreds place. So we write 8 hundreds plus next number is 2. 2 in which place? 2 in tens place. So we write 2 tens plus next number is 9. 9 in which place? 9 in ones place. So we write 9 ones equal 800 means 800. So we write 800 plus 20 plus 9. Okay, 829 equal 800 plus 2 tens plus 9 ones equal 800 plus 20 plus 9. Okay. Next we are discussing about exercise 3.1. Write the place value of each digit. One has been done for you. That means given the number is 27. We already know how to do that problem. First we identify the places of this digit, that is 27. Then 7 in which place? 7 in ones place and 2 in tens place. So we write 2 tens, 7 ones. Okay. Then 2 tens equal 20, 7 ones equal 7. Okay. Then next problem, write the number 40. Given the number is 40. First we write the places of this digit, that is ones in 0, then tens in fourth number. So we write 4 tens plus 0 ones. 4 tens equal 40. 0 ones equal 0. Okay. All of you do the remaining problems, that is C, D, E, F. Okay. Next we are discussing about exercise 3.2. First problem, 5 ones plus 4 tens plus 300. First we arrange in correct order. That means our order is ones, tens, hundred. That order. In that problem, 5 ones. First given ones, then tens, then hundred. What about doing? First problem is 5 ones plus 5 ones plus 4 tens plus 3 hundreds. First we are arranging the correct places in order. Then our first place is 1. So we write ones. Next our place is tens. Next place is hundreds. First we arrange the places in correct order. Okay. Then in ones number is 5. Then tens number is 4. And hundred number is 3. Okay. Then our value is 3, 4, 5. That means 345. Please listen. Our question is 5 ones plus 4 tens plus 300. This is not in correct order. Our order is ones, tens, hundred. Okay. So we write, first we arrange that order. Ones, tens, hundred. And also write its positional values. That is 5 ones, 4 tens, 3 hundreds. Okay. Then we write the number as 300. 3, 4, then 5. That means the second step is we write only the numbers, that is 3, 4, 5. That is 345. Our second problem is 2 tens plus 3 hundreds plus 4 ones. Our order is correct. Tens, 100, ones? No. So we arrange that places in correct order. That is ones. Next place ones after? Yes, tens. Next tens after hundreds. First we arrange in correct places order hundreds. Okay. Next we write the numbers. That is first number. One's number is 4. So we write 4. Next number is 3. Not 3. 3 in hundreds place. Next number is 2. So write 2. Our 100 place number is 3. So 3 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 4 ones. So we write the number as 3, 2, 4. We write only the number 3, 2, 4. So our number is 324. Okay. In that problem, be very careful. To be very careful, we are arranging the correct positions of places. That is ones, tens, 100. Then after, first we are arranging that places. Then after we write the values. Okay. Then our second section is write the expanded form. Given problem, first problem 85. 85 equal dash tens plus dash ones. We already know how to do 85. Yes, first place ones, tens. Then 5 in, yes, 5 in ones place and 8 in tens place. So we write 8 tens plus 5 ones. Okay, B problem the same way we are to doing. Then C 286, that is 286. First we write the places. That is ones, tens, 100. Okay, equal dash 100 plus dash tens plus dash ones. Okay, but first we write 2 in hundreds place, 8 in tens place and 6 in ones place. Okay, in our third section, write the numbers and their place values shown on abacus. One has been done for you. First abacus is given that 5 tens plus 2 ones. 5 tens plus 2 ones equal 52. Then third section is write the numbers and their place values shown on abacus. One has been done for you. Our B problem is given the birds are ones in 4 birds, tens in 2 birds and 100 in 1 bird. So we write 1 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 4 ones. 100 plus 2 tens plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So our value is 124. That means write only the numbers 1, 2, 4. So our number is 124. Okay. One more problem. Given the abacus is that ones, tens, 100 and ones in how many birds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds. And in tens place there is no bird. Then here hundreds place 1, 2, 3. 3 birds. So we write 300s plus. Then how many tens? There is no tens. So we write 0 tens plus last is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. Then write only the values. 300 write 3. Next is 0. Next last value is 5. So our value is 305. We write only the values. That is 3. Then 0. Next is 5. So our value is 305. Then fourth section, match the numbers in the abacus with their expanded form. Then that is the match the following. In first problem, given the number is 765. 765 equal, first we identify the places of these digits. That is ones, tens, 100. So 765. 5 is in ones place. Then 6 is in tens place and 7 is in hundreds place. Then we last, yes, 700 plus 6 tens plus 5 ones. So we have to match that number. Okay, expanded form. All of you do these two section problem, that is 3.1 and 3.2 in your textbook. Okay children, let's wind up our class. I hope all of you understood today's class. Okay, thank you.